Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, I would love it if you consider subscribing, and if you already have, welcome back. And today I will be sharing how I pack for 3 using my companion backpack by 12Littles. So let's just get right to it. So this bag does have insulated bottle pockets, and I have a Zoli bottle for each of my kids. In this pocket in the front, it has a really strong magnet, and I like to keep a pack of Kleenex and wet ones. I will probably be adding some passy wipes in there too. So in this pocket, which is kind of like the mommy pocket, I have a small set piece in Sakura Swirl, and this has a bunch of little random things like lip products, mints, earbuds, and hair things. I have 2 disposable breast pads, a little month at a glance planner from Erin Condren, and my Sensible Mama pen gem. Lastly, I have my wallet. This is a really small card holder by Coach, and what's really awesome is that this usually sticks to the magnet on the inside, so it's I feel like it's safer for some reason. I don't have my keys in here right now because I'm at home, but they do fit. In this pocket right on top, I have my phone, and this is an iPhone 8 Plus. And then this bag has a really cool pocket in the back. It's right here. And this is where I am carrying a wet bag and a change of clothes for my daughter. This is a newborn sized onesie. It looks a little bit messy, but it's because these 2 things are what I mostly will be grabbing for as soon as we are in the car. I have a swaddle blanket. This is in the Bloom print by Copper Pearl. I love this print so much, as you will see pretty soon. I have a cute little Wubbanub, and attached to it I have a cutie clip by Ryan Rose. So now you can see a little bit more of how I have it organized. This bag is really easy to keep organized, and because it's wider, I feel like I don't have to stack as much as other bags. So in this back pocket, I have 2 size 6 diapers. In the pocket next to it, I have a disposable change pad and my trustworthy coin purse in East Hampton. This has a bunch of Dum Dum lollipops, and I have actually yet to use any of these. There's a zippered pocket in the front. In here I have a bunch of random things. Nose saline for my kids, some nail clippers, a Kate Spade phone charger, a nail file, and a flashlight. In this pocket over here, I have a small set piece in black petals, and this just has 4 little cards for my kids. And underneath that little pouch, I have a coin purse, and this has a foldable brush, band-aids, hair ties, hair elastics, and bobby pins. In the pocket right next to it, I have a white pouch. This is the Catacorn print. And now all is in the middle. I have an indestructible book, a medium set piece, and this has all of our snacks. I need to refill because we were out, but I have my usual snacks in here for my kids. A large set piece, and this has the change pad that is included with the bag. It's super cute, and 4 size 1 diapers. I do plan on adding another little white pouch in here just in case I want to run real quick and change my daughter. And then rolled up, I have a nursing cover, and inside I also have the burp rag. This is my favorite print, as I did mention already. Both of these are from Copper Pearl, and the print is Bloom. And that's everything that I had inside of the bag. I also have a little hand sanitizer attached to the zipper, but that's it for the companion backpack by 12Little. So I got this diaper bag specifically because I thought it would work for 3, and I absolutely love it. I think it's perfect for 3 in diapers. I'm kind of hoping to be able to potty train my twins before the baby's here, but I really don't want to rush them if they're not ready. So I'm thinking they'll still be in diapers when the baby's born, and this bag is perfect for that. So if you have a toddler and a newborn, I definitely recommend this bag. I absolutely adore it. So if you like this or found this useful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button before you go. And if you already have, I'll see you soon. Bye.